Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Again, it's your math lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss and solve exercise 2 on page number 22. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. A number is divisible by dash if it has 5 at the unit place. For example, if 5 at the unit place, then original number is also divisible by 5. So the answer is 5. B, 156 is divisible by dash, dash and dash. Rule number 1. According to rule number 1, 156, write the places ones, tens, hundred. Ones place is known as unit place. The number at the unit place is even, so 156 is divisible by 2. According to rule number 2, add up these digits. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Then the original number according to rule number 2 is also divisible by 3. 156 is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. See, if a number has 0 at the unit place, then according to rule number 1, 3 and 4, it is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. D, if the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then according to rule number 2, then the number itself is divisible by 3. E, all even numbers are divisible by 2 according to rule number 1. Question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. A, 20,589 is divisible by 3. According to rule number 2, add up these digits. 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 is equals to 24. The sum of these digits is divisible by 3. 3 8 is 24. If sum of these digits is divisible by 24, then the original number is also divisible by 3. True. B, 160 is divisible by 2. The number at the unit place is 0. So according to rule number 1, its true statement true. C, 225 is divisible by 5 and 10. The digit at the unit place is 5. So it's only divisible by 5, not 10. So it's a false statement. D, any number which is divisible by 10 is divisible by 5. True. E, 5,563 is divisible by 5. The number at the unit place is 3. Then according to rule number 3, it is not divisible by 5. False statement. Question number 3, select the correct answer from the given options. A, 6,234 is divisible by, first option is 5, second is 2 and 3, third is 2 and 10, and last is 2 and 5. Rule number 1, 6,234, write the places ones, tens, 100,000. Ones place is also known as unit place. The number at the unit place is 4. 4 is even, so is according to rule number 1 divisible by 2. Rule number 2, add up these digits. 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Then the original number 6,234 is also divisible by 3. So the correct option is 2 and 3. B, 4,600 is divisible by, first option is 5 only, second is 2 and 10, third is 2 and 5, last one is 2, 5 and 10. If 0 at the unit place, then according to rule number 1, 3 and 4, it is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So the correct option is 4, 2, 5 and 10. C, 525 is divisible by, first option is 5 and 3, second is 2 and 5, third is 5 only, last one is 10. Rule number 2, add up these digits. 5 plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 12. The sum of these digits is divisible by 3. If sum of these digits is divisible by 3, then the original number 525 is also divisible by 3. According to rule number 3, if the last number at the unit place is 5, then according to rule number 3, it is also divisible by 5. So the correct option is 5 and 3. D, a number can be divided by 5. A number can be divided by 5 if the digits at the unit place is, according to rule number 3, if the digits at the unit place is 5 and 0, then the number can be divided by 5. So the correct option is 5 or 0. E, 5 multiply 3 is divisible by, first option is 5 and 3, second is 5 only, third is 3 only, last one is 2 only. 5 multiply 3 is equals to 15. 15 is divisible by 5 and 3.